Welcome to Smart Buys. Discover innovative kitchen and home essentials designed to simplify your lifestyle, featuring smart appliances, time-saving gadgets, and versatile tools that bring convenience, efficiency, and creativity into your everyday cooking and living experience. All products links in the description section below. Imagine winding down after a long day with soft ambient light, calming white noise, and your favorite playlist right from one sleek lamp. This smart table lamp blends comfort, creativity, and convenience in one space-saving design. Try it once, and your nights might never feel the same. Fresh juice shouldn't feel like a chore, and with this smart juicer, it never does. Just drop in your favorite fruits, press, and pour. Its wide chute, quiet motor, and quick cleanup make healthy mornings refreshingly simple. One squeeze, and you'll taste the difference. Keep your favorite accessories organized and ready wherever you go with this sleek travel jewelry case. Its clever compartments and clear layout make packing effortless. No more tangled necklaces or missing earrings. It's the stylish little travel companion you didn't know you needed. Make cleaning faster, easier, and smarter with this powerful cordless sanitizer sprayer. It covers surfaces evenly in minutes. No cords, no hassle. Perfect for homes, gyms, or offices, it's your quick way to keep every space fresh, safe, and ready for what's next. Stay cool anywhere with this clever 6-in-1 waist and neck fan. Your portable breeze on the go. Whether you're hiking, working, or commuting, its powerful airflow, long battery life, and hands-free design make beating the heat feel effortless. Comfort meets convenience. Just clip, wear, and chill. Keep every device charged and ready wherever life takes you with this powerful 2OK portable charger. Built-in cables, fast charging, and multi-device support make it a true travel essential. Slip it in your bag, stay connected, and power through every adventure. No outlet required. Traveling with kids just got easier and cozier. This inflatable toddler bed turns any trip into a comforting sleep-over adventure. With quick setup, soft flocked fabric, and built-in safety bumpers, it's perfect for sleepovers, vacations, or family getaways. Easy to pack, fun to use, dreams guaranteed. Bring cafe vibes home with this sleek French press, crafted for rich, smooth, grit-free coffee every time. Its double filter design and heat-retaining body make every brew a cozy ritual. Wake up, press, pour, and savor. Your perfect cup is just a press away. Start your day the smart way with this modern digital clock. Easy to read, easy to love. Its adjustable brightness, USB charging port, and sleek wood design blend style with practicality. Perfect for bedrooms or desks, it keeps time and your space beautifully balanced. Cooking just got simpler with this clever adjustable measuring cup. It handles liquids, solids, and everything in between. No extra tools needed. Clear markings make measuring effortless, while its space-saving design keeps your kitchen neat. One tool, endless recipes. Precision has never felt so easy. Turn whole grains, herbs, or spices into fine powder in seconds with this high-speed grain grinder. Designed with smart safety features and overload protection, it's powerful yet secure. Perfect for home chefs who love fresh, flavorful ingredients at their fingertips. Adventure longer with the Frostvo cooler, built to keep food dry and drinks icy cold for days. Its smart dry zone, heavy-duty insulation, and all-terrain wheels make packing easy and efficient. No soggy snacks, no hassle, just perfectly chilled freshness wherever your journey takes you. Cleaning just got smarter with this dual-tank flat mop that always uses fresh water. No more spreading dirt around. Its 360 swivel head, reusable pads, and hands-free ringing make every swipe efficient and effortless. Stay spotless, save time, and enjoy cleaner floors every day. Enjoy your favorite sunflower seeds without the mess using this smart 2-in-1 seed cup. It separates shells from seeds for clean, easy snacking anywhere. Road trips, games, or movie nights. Compact, Portable and cleverly designed, it's the perfect little companion for every snack lover on the move. Open cans effortlessly with this sleek smart can opener. Just press a button and let it do the work. Compact, durable, and safe to use, it fits perfectly in any modern kitchen. A simple upgrade that makes daily cooking faster, easier, and completely mess-free. Bring cafe-quality espresso home with this all-in-one machine that grinds, brews, and froths in under a minute. Its precision grinder, digital temperature control, and steam wand let you craft rich, balanced coffee your way. From beans to bliss, barista perfection starts here. Meet the Vabroom Cordless, a smart mix of broom and vacuum in one sleek tool. Its powerful suction, soft bristles, and one-touch debris release make cleanup effortless. Lightweight, rechargeable, and whisper quiet, it turns everyday sweeping into quick, satisfying cleaning. Sweep, suck, done. Simple as that. Keep your space clean and stylish with this smart sensor. Trash can just wave, tap, or nudge to open. Its odor control butterfly lid, sleek metal design, and smooth rolling wheels blend luxury with practicality. Modern, hygienic, and effortless trash disposal has never looked this good. Tackle cleaning with ease using this dual bucket spin mop that keeps clean and dirty water separate for spotless results. Its 360 square head reaches tight corners, while the turbo spin design and foldable handle make every cleaning session quicker, cleaner, and surprisingly satisfying to use anywhere. Give your little one a cozy, secure spot anywhere with this inflatable toddler travel bed and pop-up tent combo. Lightweight yet spacious, it sets up easily, offering comfort, shade, and safety, perfect for camping, vacations, or sleepovers. Adventure-ready sleep made simple and portable. Protect your home effortlessly with these 5MP solar-powered security cameras featuring 360 motion tracking and magnifier zoom. Enjoy ultra-clear footage, encrypted local storage, no monthly fees, and seamless Wi-Fi setup for round-the-clock smart surveillance and peace of mind, day and night. Tidy up every corner with this sturdy wall-mounted mop holder, perfect for garages, kitchens, or laundry rooms. Its secure, non-slip grips and foldable hooks keep tools organized, accessible, and off the floor, creating a cleaner, clutter-free space you'll love using every day. For coffee lovers who demand versatility and precision, this 3-in-1 espresso machine makes every brew a breeze, from rich espressos to refreshing cold brews. With integrated grinders, hands-free frothing, and expert guidance, it's a cafe experience right at home, ready to elevate your coffee game. Tired of tangled, dusty cables? This magnetic protective cap cable keeps things neat, secure, and supercharged. With 2.4 OW fast charging, smart safety tech, and wide device compatibility, it's built for everyday efficiency. Snap it in place and power up smarter. No clutter, no hassle. Prep time just got easier with this powerful vegetable chopper designed for speed, precision, and convenience. From chopping to slicing and pureeing, its built-in bowl scraper saves time, while the 450-watt motor powers through tough ingredients, making healthy, homemade meals quicker and way more enjoyable to create every day. Keep your home smarter and safer with this advanced smart door camera that blends cutting-edge tech with everyday practicality. Enjoy crisp decay video, accurate motion detection, and private local face recognition, all seamlessly integrated with your favorite smart home systems. Security feels simpler, smarter, and truly connected. Cook smarter and eat healthier with this innovative rice cooker, designed to make low-carb living effortless. Its auto-lifting basket removes excess starch, while adjustable power settings let you steam, stew, or simmer with precision. A sleek, transparent design turns everyday cooking into a satisfying, healthy ritual. Transform any room into a cozy, colorful haven with this stunning 3D decorative bulb. Its stained glass glow adds warmth, charm, and personality while saving energy. Perfect for chandeliers, bedrooms, or hallways. Light up your space beautifully and let everyday moments feel just a little more magical. Cleaning feels refreshingly simple with this flat floor mop and smart bucket system. Designed for wet and dry use, it reaches every corner effortlessly while keeping your hands clean. From hardwood to tile, enjoy spotless floors with less effort, making daily cleaning quicker, easier, and more satisfying. Meet your new styling sidekick, the Hairbrush mister that detangles, smooths, and refreshes in one easy step. With gentle misting and no tangle bristles, it keeps your hair sleek and hydrated anywhere, anytime. Perfect for quick touch-ups, travel days, or effortless everyday styling. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more great home and kitchen finds. Give this video thumbs up and share your thought in the comments section below.